Time to sound polished. Perfect your pronunciation with Sapna Narayan, your English confidence building coach. Pronunciation of F and V words. Now, F and V words have very similar pronunciation. The mouth movement and the lip and the tongue and the palate, it's very similar. And I'm going to tell you exactly how similar and how different they are. So have the top front teeth against the lower lip and release as you blow air out. Now for F, your front teeth has to be just on the inner border of your lower lip. And for V, you actually have to bite your lower lip to sound nice and polished. B. Okay? F. Say these F words. Fat, floor, fag, facial, facile, factor, fasten, fragile, fatal, feisty, fetish, fidget, fidelity, fixated, flinch, felicitous, fastidious, and facious. Can you sound polished with these? Furious feral foxes forage futilely. Furious feral foxes foraged futilely. 5 fine falcons flew frayed flags from foreign fields. 5 fine falcons flew frayed flags from foreign fields. V. Say these V words. Vat, wide, view, value, vowel, vary, volve, vomit, buried, video, varnish, versus, vibrant, vacuous, vampire, vicinity, vestigial, vandalism, vestibule, and vigorous. Interesting words. Now can you sound polished with these? Vicinity of vague vacation village was vital for vocal vacuous vampire. Vicinity of vague vacation village was vital for vocal vacuous vampire. Vigorous violent voyage was a voluminous version of the versatile but volatile veteran. Vigorous violent voyage was a voluminous version of the versatile but volatile veteran. Hope you found value in this video. If you did, then announcing just for you, Time to Sound Crisp, a course for your vocabulary enhancement. The difficult words in this video would be taken up there.